Are you a new options trader? If so, then you're familiar with all the confusing option rules. Such questions as, do I buy a put? Or do I buy a call? Do I sell an option? What's the difference? What happens at expiration? And many other confusing questions which are very important for you to understand. Well, I have the answer. I'm introducing here the Options Rules Guide, a one-page document that lists all of the rules of all 4 types of options. For a little background, I'm a successful options trader. I got there by subscribing to investment services that tell me what options to trade. These services are expensive, but highly recommended and I think well worth the money. And such investment services also usually provide options training, which I also highly recommend. But whether you use an investment service or make your own options decisions, you need to know how every option will behave over time. Your dollars can grow or shrink very fast with options. You can lose all your money in a heartbeat. So you must know what you're doing. And to make you a better options trader, I'm going to show you a very helpful tool. It's called the Options Rules Guide, and it puts the rules of all 4 option types onto a single page for easy reference. This is an absolute must for new and novice options traders. Now let's take a look at what you get with the Options Rules Guide. Of course, we're not showing you the actual guide. To see that, you must purchase it. On this document sample, as you can see on each line, we've replaced the real wording with a number of X's and a few teaser words. Our objective here is to familiarize you with the format and the contents of the guide. As you can see, the left side lists all 4 option types: buy calls, buy puts, sell covered calls, and sell puts. And for each option type, the rules guide lists 6 rules for that type in the center column, and a summary of that option's key rules on the right side. And the options guide has the same thing for all 4 options, the 6 rules and the summary for all 4. If you are a new options trader, you will find this guide to be extremely helpful when you're trading. One day you won't need it, but for the first year or 2, it will be invaluable. Today I'm an expert, but I found this guide to be very useful during my first 2 years of trading. The Options Rules Guide is a simple digital download. You can purchase it and download it right now on Etsy.com. It is very low cost, but worth every penny. And it will pay for itself hundreds of times over and quickly. Here's the Etsy link. Etsy.com, that's ETSY.com/shop/ now one word, Options Rules Guide. And that link should also be shown below. Go to Etsy and buy it now. You'll be very glad you did. Thank you.